Okay, Suzuki K11. We have a stripped out head bolt. This guy right here. So I went and bought one of these on Amazon, 25-piece thread repair kit. No name brand. I figure this thing's holding 14 foot-pounds of pressure. That's pretty easy breezy. I'm going to use some Loctite Red to seal it. But as there are a few videos on YouTube about installing Healy coils, I am not going to spend a whole lot of time explaining myself here. Gonna do it, get it done. It's this guy here. Basically, you drill it out, alright? You tap it, you stick a Healy coil in it, glue it in there, and you're done. So let's do it. All right. All right. Let me go get my tap wrench. All right. Get my tap shot out here. This is going way too easy. And the way it drilled out, it felt like I had very little resistance. And I think this had a Healy coil in it, perhaps. This is much too easy. All right. All right. So there's what I got. Yeah, it's Permatex and got Loctite. So let's see what happens. I like the way they say on here, need heat and special tools needed for extraction. So, good stuff. That's not good. Cross-threaded it somehow. So, the threads ought to line up perfectly with the tap. I can tell you they do not. I don't know if you can see it, but they're wrong. Son of a snot-nosed brat. Here's what you do. Drill a hole. That's not thick enough, is it? We're going to tap in here. Good thing they give you a lot of them. So this should thread right in there. And same problem. Doesn't thread in. Something wrong with my kit. Alright. Now that we know it's wrong, how bad is it? I'm going to try this tap. I think I got this tap with another helicoil kit. Okay, after a little bit of trial and error, I found the right drill bit with the right tap. It's an 8mm by 1.25 tap. That's the same thread as the outside diameter of the helicoil I bought. And the right drill bit here is 15/64. Let this tap go right into the aluminum. So that was such a nice fit. I'm going to move forward and try it. So, good thing we can make this a little bigger. Now put this in the vise. Well, I really do need to buy a new camera. Keep filling up my storage on my phone. So it stopped. Tapped it out with the right tap. Put in the right helicoil. Now the helicoil seems to be working. So we shall see. Seems a little tight. I'm worried about that thread locker being in there. Screwed up the threads for me, so we're gonna try it, see what happens. Jam it in the bike. I'll bring you back for that. Alright, so I'm not sure where we left off. I got the thread repair deal. Boxed it all back up. It is being returned. Wrong drill, wrong tap for the size of thread. So I'm exchanging it and hoping the next one they send me will be the right one. So I'm not going to hold my breath. So that's kind of a bummer. So the next thing is to move on. I have threads. So let's see what happens. I am going to use a little bit of gasket maker, fuel resistant, to glue the gasket onto the jug before I try to jam the piston in there, because the last time it fell off and the piston sleeve cut right into it. So I'm hoping to put it on the jug, it'll stay safe and out of the way there. So that's the plan. Alright, what a rainy day up here today. Smear on a nice even layer. Nice even layer of this stuff on here. There we go. I am going to let that dry. That's one less thing I have to worry about damaging. So the next thing we're going to do, I'll set you over there on the bike, and we will get the jug onto the piston, put the head back on, and see if she'll torque down. I'm going to put 4 washers on the bolts because they're too long, and see if that does the trick. If I get 14 foot-pounds of pressure on this, I'll be happy. So, alright, I'll bring you back when it dries. Alright, let's see if I can get the jug over the piston. I have the rings lined up where they belong. That's kind of hard to say. Yeah. Come on, baby. Yeah, you like it. There she goes. This is where you rip the gasket. Yeah. Success! Alright, 1 jug installed. Just gonna put the nuts on there. I'll bring you back in a few minutes. Alright, let's put the head on. Now the head has a spark plug on an angle. So you could put the head on this way, and I think it would run. But originally it goes in this way. So the spark plug is vertical. I don't know why it makes a difference or if it makes a difference. But that's how we're going to do it. Alright. Put that head gasket on there. Line up the bolt. Alright. The bolt over here, this one here, is the one I replaced the Healy coil on. So, that's what we want to know. Just double checking to see if I got the gasket in there correctly. Looks good. That Healy coil does not feel good. Doesn't feel like it's going to tighten down. Just get a feeling. Alright, we're dialed into 60 inch-pounds to start with. Look at the right socket. Alright, that's the right socket. There it is. Alright. Let's take this guy up. 14 foot-pounds, so I'm going to go up to 100 inch-pounds. Sounds good. Come on. Yeah, it's a script. Damn! Damn. So fail. Healy coiling that head sucks. I'm gonna have to buy a better quality Healy coil, I think. That one just pulled right out. So, darn it. Hate when that happens. But failed. Such a simple thing. Stupid Healy coil. So much trouble. Alright. Take it all apart again. Get that out of there. Do a new Healy coil and wish me luck. Bye-bye.